In this video, we're going to see about RIP Next Generation Protocol, which uses distance vector routing algorithm to compute the least cost path across the topology. We're going to make the configurations using IPv6 addressing. Now, let me quickly connect the routers here using this cable. I have already added an additional serial port, which is not available by default in these routers, and and that's it. Now the topology is finished. Now let me quickly set the gateways. I have already given the IP address and set the IP addresses and gateways in the PCs. Here we can see I have used 10 for this PC and on the double colon 1 as a gateway. And now what I have to do is I just have to copy this and give it as a gateway in this router. I just copied it and we'll configure this router. We'll try to enable the link. Fine. We're going to the CLI of the router. Now enable config terminal. By default, the router understands only IPv4. In order to make it understand IPv6 as well, we have a command called IPv6 unicast routing. Fine. After giving this command, let me mention the interface, that is gigabit 0/0. Let me give the IPv6 address for the gateway. Just paste it over here /64 and just give no shutdown, and that's it. The link is enabled now. So in order to send the RIP updates via this link, we have a command called IPv6 RIP test and enable. So here the test is some of any process name. It can be anything. Now let's just give end. That's it. This side has been configured. Now let me go to this router 3 here. Fine. The same thing we have to do. Now enable config terminal. Make it understand IPv6 unicast routing interface gigabit 0/0 IPv6 address. I've already given the IPv6 address in this PC and also set the gateway. Fine, let me grab that one right now, copy it, and this is the IP address 10 double colon 10 double colon 1 is for the gateway. This IP address I have chosen from the left side diagram. All the IP addresses have been given there. Fine. Just a minute. Just paste it over here, the gateway address, and just mention the prefix, give no shutdown, and that's it. In order to enable the RIP updates, just give IPv6 RIP test enable, and that's it. This side has been configured. Now coming to this router 5, where we'll be configuring this PC to will check the IP address and gateway. I have already said there is 3 double colon 10. This is the IP address for the gateway IPv6 address, and this is the gateway, right? So let me just copy this and configure this router. That is router 5. Now enable config terminal IPv6 unicast routing. Mention the interface IPv6 address. Just paste the gateway here. Mention the prefix. Give no shutdown, and enable the RIP updates over this interface. To do that, give the command IPv6 RIP test enable. That's it. Give this command. Now we have configured all the LANs. Now coming to these WANs here. So, the same thing for this WANs as well. Config terminal. Mention the interface SE 0/0/0 and IPv6 address. Now here on the left hand side, the address has been given, that is 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon a001 double colon. Let me give 10 this side and 20 on the other side. That's it. No shutdown, and we'll enable the RIP updates via this interface, that is IPv6 RIP test enable. Now shutdown. so that is not required actually. Now coming to the router 3 side, let me do the same config terminal. I think I have given this command. Now let me mention the interface SC, that is SC 0/1/0 /1/0, and now let me give the IPv6 address here 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon a001 double colon 20 this side prefix. Give no shutdown and enable the RIP updates, that is IPv6 RIP test enable. Just give end. So this WAN has been configured. Now coming to the 0/1/1 side, so I will configure that side. Config terminal, interface C0/1/1 this time, and just give the IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon a002 double colon 20 this side and 10 on the other side. Now shut down. Enable the RIP updates test enable IPv6. It should be that's it. Just give end. So we'll do the same in this side as well. That is router 5. Config terminal, interface AC0/0/0 IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon a002 colon double colon 10/64 and enable the RIP updates IPv6 RIP test enable. That's it. Now I have configured all the LANs and as WANs as well, and that's it. Now now let me just check the routing table of each routers whether the protocol has worked and it has learned all the remote networks. So to check that, we have command IPv6 route, and here we can see there is a this 2 double colon network that has been learned via this RIP protocol. Now let me just check. Let me just check the routing table of this router 5 as well. Show IPv6 route. Here here the network has not been learned. So let me check the commands once again. Let me give IPv6 unicast IPv6 unicast routing exit. Now we'll check once again. It is still not enabled. We'll give the command in all the routers once again. That's it. And now let me check the routing table. This side is enabled, and we'll make this interface accept the RIP updates. So let me do that. Interface gigabit 0/0. That's it. Now let me give 6 RIP test enable exit. Let me check the routing table now. Now we can see this link has not got enabled. I think I haven't given no shutdown. Interface SC0/0/0. This has to be given in the configuration mode. Interface SC0/0/0. No shutdown. So I think it should work now. Here we can see all the 3 remote networks have been learned through the protocol. Now let me take the same here as well. So it should be IPv6. Since there are no IPv4 records, it is not showing any. So all the networks have been learnt. Now let me check the ping function. Now before that, we're going to use ping is the command prompt. So let me grab the IP address of this PC first. Status summary. So here we can see the IP address. Just take this IP address, copy it, and just go to the command prompt of from this PC. Let me check from PC2 command prompt, type ping and just paste here. I'm sorry, paste. It's not getting pasted. Let me take the IP address once again. This is the IP address of the PC, the first PC, right? Let me copy this from here and place it in the PC2's command prompt to check the connectivity between them. Paste. That's it. Now we can see we're getting the reply. Now we'll do the same from this PC as well. That's it. We can see the reply is coming back. Now what we'll do is we'll just try to ping one of the WAN's network. Fine. 2001. Sorry. 2001 colon DB8 colon 1 colon A001 colon double colon, and for some WAN we have given 20. So let me try with that one. So we can see we're getting the reply. So from this PC1, let me try to ping between the router and the PC. 1 colon 2 double colon 1. 1 I have given for the router's gateway, right? So let me try with that. We can see the reply. That's it. I think all the results were correct, and thanks for watching.